Alrighty guys, welcome back. This review is for number 21 through 25. So let's look at number 21. Don't get your PIMDAS, okay? So I'm going to rewrite this part first, minus 2i. Now, that square means you have two of these. See it right there? Okay? Now you can go ahead and take care of these if you like, which I'm going to do. 4i times negative 6 come out to be negative 24i. Okay? 4i times positive 5i is plus 20i squared. Now I'm going to bring this down and I'm going to go ahead and distribute this one. So now you have 5 times 5 minus I times 5 minus I. Okay? The bracket just means a parentheses within a parentheses. Now I'm going to distribute. Take a look at this part. If I can go ahead and simplify something, I will. So I'm going to mark that off. So now that comes out to be 24i minus 20 minus 2i times 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times negative I is minus 5i. Negative I times 5 is negative 5i. Negative I times negative I is positive I squared. Okay? Go ahead and combine your like terms. So now you have 24i minus 20 minus 2i. Take care of it in parentheses. That's the same thing as a negative 1. 25 minus 1 is 24. Negative 5i minus 5i is negative 10i. Now you can distribute. Okay? Negative 24 minus 20. Go ahead and distribute. Minus 48i plus 20i squared. Anytime you see a square, go ahead and multiply it and get rid of that I squared. Now combine your like terms. Okay? So, take care of your real numbers first. Negative 20 minus 20 is negative 40. Negative 48i minus 48i is negative 60, my apologies, negative 72i. And there you have your solution. And that's number 21. Okay? A plus bi form. Number 22. All right? What does a cube mean? A cube means you have three of them. So you're going to have negative 1 plus 2i times negative 1 plus 2i times negative 1 plus 2i. Go ahead and distribute this and get rid of it. So you have minus 40 minus 70i. All right? Continue on with your math. This is the part I would do first, okay? I'm going to multiply those guys together. Or you can multiply these two together. Your choice, whichever you want to do. But I'm going to multiply those two first. So I'm going to keep this as I see it. Negative 1 plus 2i. Okay? Now I'm going to keep that together. So I'm going to take this one. Negative 1 times negative 1 plus 2i. Plus 2i times negative 1 plus 2i. Minus 40 minus 70i. Alright, continue on. Go ahead and distribute. So I have negative 1 plus 2i. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive. Negative 1 times 2i is negative 2i. Distribute as well. Negative 2i plus 4i squared minus 40 minus 70i. So your whole objective is slowly get rid of your parentheses, okay? Let's go ahead and combine some like terms. Make it easy on me. That's a negative 4. So I'm going to have negative 1 plus 2i times all of these. My apologies. Okay, I need to add that. See all that? All right. So now what do I have? 1 minus 4 is negative 3 minus 4i minus 40 minus 70i. Because all I did was I multiplied these two, so I need to still keep them as a group for now. Because I have to multiply these times this part, okay? And that's your next step. So I'm going to distribute these guys. See it right there? So I'm going to take negative 1 times all of these. Negative 3 minus 4i plus 2i times negative 3 minus 4i minus 40 minus 70i. Okay? Distribute 3 plus 4i minus 6i minus 8i squared. Now I can bring all those down and take care of it. This becomes a positive 8. Combine your real numbers first. 3 plus 8 minus 40. So 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 40 is negative 29. 4i minus 6i is negative 2i. Minus that is negative 72i. And there you have your solution. Okay? And there's number 22. Number 23. Okay. Continue on. Now what I would do is I would probably multiply these two together first, and then these two together, and then I would combine like terms. Okay? So I'm going to bring down my negative 3i. And let's go ahead and put negative 2 times negative 2 plus 5i minus I times negative 2 plus 5i. Okay? Also, plus 1 times negative 4 minus I minus 5i times negative 4 minus I. See it right there? And these guys are together. Okay? And let's go ahead and distribute. So you have 3i times 4 minus 10i plus 2i minus 5i squared. Okay? Distribute those as well. Minus 4 minus I plus 20i plus 5i squared. Alright? So, this is the only part that I need to multiply times that. That's the reason that I needed to keep that one within the parentheses. Okay? So if you know any of these numbers, you can go ahead and simplify it now, or you can simplify it later. I'm going to simplify it now. So this becomes a positive 5, and this becomes a negative 5. I could combine all this, which I'm going to do first. 4 plus 5 is 9, minus 8i, minus 4, minus I, plus 20i, minus 5. Okay? And I'll go back and do that later. Now let's distribute. Negative 27i plus 24i squared, minus 4 minus I, minus 20i, minus 5. That becomes a negative 24. Combine your like terms. Okay? So negative 24 minus 4 is negative 28. So negative 24 minus 4 minus 5 comes out to be negative 33. And then negative 27 minus I is negative 28. Plus that gives you negative 8i. And there you have your solution for number 23. Okay? Number 24, it says to evaluate. Evaluate means you're going to plug it in. Alrighty? So I'm not going to have room for that on this paper. So I'm going to do it on this one right here. So number 24, here's 24. I am going to evaluate number 24. So I'm going to plug that part in. So f of x equals 3 times negative 5 plus 2i squared minus 5 times negative 5 plus 2i plus 2. Okay? Continue with your math. Go ahead and take care of that one first. So negative 5 plus 2i times negative 5 plus 2i, and go ahead and finish that part as well. Okay? I'm going to combine my like term first. So I got 25 plus that makes it 27 minus 10i. Okay. Continue with your math. You have a choice to multiply right here times all that, or you can multiply all that then times that. Your choice. I'm actually going to multiply the 3 times that first. Plus 6i, then I'm going to multiply times that in a little bit. Do you guys see it? Now I'm going to distribute or multiply. Negative 15 times 5 plus 2i plus 6i times negative 5 plus 2i. Oops, my apologies. Plus 27 minus 10i. Okay? Go ahead and distribute. Negative 15 times 5 is positive 75. Minus 10i, that should be a minus. Minus 30i plus 12i squared plus 27 minus 10i. Okay? Let's make that a negative 12. Combine your like terms first. 75 minus 12 plus 27 gives you 90. Okay? Then you got negative 10 minus 30 minus 10. That gives you minus 50i. And there you have number 24. Okay? Number 25. Now, on number 25, I want you guys to notice what is being squared. The x is being squared, not the negative. Okay? So you have f of x equals negative 1 plus 5i squared. Look what's being squared. Minus 8x plus 5. All right? Continue on. So negative 1 plus 5i times 1 plus 5i minus 8x plus 5. Okay, this one's a lot easier than 24. Continue with your math. Negative 1 times 1 plus 5i. Now, if you want to get rid of that negative right off the bat, you can. Okay? Plus 5i times 1 plus 5i minus 8x plus 5. Okay? Continue with your math. So you got negative 1 times 1 is 1 plus 5i plus 5i plus 25i squared minus 8x plus 5. Now I'm going to multiply these times negative. Okay? So negative 1, that becomes 10i, so it becomes negative 10i minus 25i squared minus 8x plus 5. Makes that a positive. Combine your real numbers. So negative 1 plus 25 plus 5 comes out to be 29. And then you have negative 10i. Ooh, I forgot to do something, didn't I? Minus 10i minus 8. Guess what? I forgot the x. So I'm going to plug it in right here and take care of it at that moment, which is fine, by the way. Okay, so you got 29 minus 10i minus 8 minus 40i. Combine your like terms. That comes out to be 21 minus 50i. Okay, I just forgot to plug it in up here, so I plugged it in down here. You still get the same solution. Just make sure you follow the math process, the math laws. Good luck.